Hello, today I will be presenting about hydrogen powered car or hydrogen fuel cell. The table of content. First, we have introduction. Introduction to hydrogen powered car or hydrogen fuel cell. Second, we have overview. Overview of hydrogen powered car. Third, how it works. And fourth, advantage and disadvantage. First, introduction to hydrogen powered car. What is a hydrogen powered car? Hydrogen powered car refers to any type of vehicle that uses hydrogen as a main fuel. Why hydrogen powered car? To reduce the effect of climate change, as a vehicle is one of the biggest contributors of global warming, and to reduce reliance on natural gas as the main fuel source. Second, overview of hydrogen powered car. What is a hydrogen fuel cell? Fuel cell provide advantage over traditional combustion-based technology, including greater efficiency and lower emission. Since hydrogen fuel cell only emit water, there are no carbon dioxide emission or other pollution released into the atmosphere. Fuel cells are also quiet during operation as they have fewer moving parts than combustion technology. A hydrogen fuel cell uses chemical energy of hydrogen to produce electricity. It is a clean form of energy with electricity, water, and heat by being the only product and byproduct. Hydrogen production. Hydrogen is either produced from hydrocarbon or directly from water. Hydrocarbons are available as fossil fuel or biomass. Hydrogen can be extracted from water by electrolysis, thermochemically, and by photobiological or photocatalytic process. The separation from hydrocarbon is mainly made by steam reforming. Additionally, there are other processes such as partial oxidation for both hydrocarbon and water. Energy is required and has to be provided as current, heat, or light. Electricity and heat can be made available in very different manner. The production method is crucial as it impacts the price of hydrogen. Emission and environmental impact of any upstream process must be attributed to the produced hydrogen. Nowadays, the production from fossil fuel is the dominant production technology. Electrolysis only play a minor role. Thermochemical, photocatalytic, or photobiological processes are still under development. In the long run, fossil fuel can no longer be used as a source for hydrogen, since the availability is limited and CO2 accrues as a co-product during the production. Basic method on how hydrogen gas is extracted. 96% of hydrogen was obtained from fossil fuel in 2010. The most common process is steam reforming. Steam reforming of a natural gas is conducted in two stages. The first step is the extraction of carbon monoxide and hydrogen from methane and water under high pressure, 15 to 25 bar, and high temperature, 750 to 1000 Celsius. A catalyst accelerates the reaction. In the second step, water is added that split the carbon monoxide into carbon dioxide and hydrogen, shift reaction. 3. How hydrogen power car works. Here is the diagram of how the hydrogen fuel cell works. The key component of hydrogen fuel cell electric car. First, we have battery auxiliary. In electric drive vehicle, the low voltage auxiliary battery provides electricity to start the car before the traction battery is engaged. It also power vehicle accessory. This high voltage battery store energy generated from regenerative braking and provide supplemental power to the electrification motor. DC converter. This device convert higher voltage DC power from the traction battery pack to the lower voltage DC power needed to run vehicle accessory and recharge the auxiliary battery. Next, we have electric traction motor or FCEV. Using power from the fuel cell and the traction battery pack, this motor drives the vehicle wheels. Some vehicles use motor generation that perform both the drive and regeneration function. Fuel cell stack, an assembly of individual membrane electrode that use hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity. Fuel filler, a nozzle from a fuel dispenser attached to the receptacle and on the vehicle to fill the tank. Fuel tank, hydrogen. Store hydrogen gas on board the vehicle until it is needed by the fuel cell. Power electronic controller. This unit manages the flow of electrical energy delivered by the fuel cell and the traction battery. controlling the speed of the electric traction motor and the torque it produces. Thermal system cooling. The system maintains a proper operating temperature range of the fuel cell, electric motors, power electronic, and other components. Transmission. The transmission transfers mechanical power from the electric traction motor to drive the wheel. Advantage and disadvantage of the hydrogen fuel car. Advantage: hydrogen fuel car is more environmentally friendly due to the fact it doesn't emit any greenhouse gas. It can take advantage of extracted mainly from natural gas. It is cheaper compared to petroleum, and it can reduce reliance on fossil fuel among vehicles. Finally, there's disadvantage. Even with all the advantage, fossil fuel will only dominate most sectors in business and hydrogen fuel, and only penetrate certain sectors such as steel and aviation industry. The, the infrastructure for fossil fuel is well established and entrenched compared to hydrogen fuel, which is infrastructure to transport and keep in storage. That's all for me. Thank you.